Hey guys, just want to show you some of the cool new features built in the new SoundTraxx Tsunami 2. So let's get started. So first we're going to talk about the dynamic digital exhaust and what it is. The dynamic digital exhaust allows the diesel engine to throttle up and down based on how hard the locomotive is working and not just simply based on the throttle setting. So we're going to go ahead and try to set up the dynamic digital exhaust on this diesel engine. So the first thing we need to do is we need to program CVs 2.503 and 2.504, which are the calibration, and we're going to auto calibrate it here. So first we're going to set CV32 to a value of 2, and that's the 2 dot part of CV 2.503. Now to program this, we're going to move the locomotive into speed step 1, and then now while it's moving, we're going to set CV503 to a value of 255, and that's going to auto calibrate the initial part of the slope of how hard the locomotive is working. The next thing we're going to do is set CV 2.504, and to do that we need to be moving at a nominal speed step around step 30 or step 40. So we're going to go to step 30 real quick, and then we're going to calibrate by setting 504 to a value of 255. The next thing we need to do is we need to add in some sensitivity into CV 2.512. So to start, we're going to try a value of 30 into CV 2.512. Next, we're going to add some momentum. So we're going to set some pretty high momentum so that way the DDE processor has time to calculate and to make all the changes to the prime mover operation as necessary. So to start, we're going to set CV3 to a value of 75, and we're going to set CV4 to a value of 150. Let's try it out. So as you can hear, the locomotive prime mover is at idle as the locomotive is running light, which would be properly prototypical. So you can kind of see how the DDE processor is working the prime mover up and down depending on how hard it's working. So hopefully you'll be able to try this at home.